Founded in 2017, AAA Blackheads was one of YouTube's up-and-coming pimple-popping channels. In their first year online, they got 20 million views and 20,000 subscribers. But what brought them down? I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and I'll answer that question in a moment. YouTube has several entertaining pimple-popping channels, but only a few of them focus on up-close pimple pops. First, there's our channel, Dermatology Under the Microscope by Mr. Blackhead. It's one of the largest channels of its sort. The original microscope popper is Russ Hamstring. Russ's oily pores are epic, to say the least. Let's look at some examples. And if you want to pop pimples of your own, we'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper kit in the description below. There's also a newer channel called The Tweezist. I believe it's hosted by an anonymous Asian woman. Check out @Tweezist on Instagram for more. AAA Blackheads had some epic pops, but YouTube demonetized their videos in 2017, and they haven't posted a new video since January of 2018. Without monetization, creators have no incentive to post new original content. So leave a comment below. Should YouTube monetize medical content? Let's hear your thoughts.